Facebook is battling ad blockers. Facebook announced changes to its newsfeed with the goal to defeat ad blockers. According to the New York Times, Facebook's plan would be to make content and ads indistinguishable to ad blockers. Facebook also said it updated its ad preferences controls so that users had more control over what they saw. Facebook's ad blocker would only work on the desktop version of Facebook. Facebook will not go around ad blockers on mobile devices. The company said it would take an ad blocker too many resources to attempt to parse out ads from content. So of course, Adblock Plus, a popular ad blocker, found a workaround within 2 days. However, Facebook says Adblock Plus's workaround also filters out things other than ads. The battle wasn't over at this point. According to TechCrunch, Facebook then upgraded its methods and now has a workaround for Adblock Plus's workaround. You got that? In short, Facebook's newest ad blocker should block Adblock Plus's ad blocking, which defeated Facebook's old ad blocker. Clear as mud, right? Let me try that again. Facebook wants you to see ads on the desktop, and if you have an ad blocker installed, Facebook will keep trying to defeat it. That's it for this Tech News Update. I'm Maya Akhtar, and you can stay on top of the biggest stories at cnet.com/update.